learning model, which is scientific learning for junior high school on material linear equation one variable. My name is Zulia Ningtyas. I'm from Math 17. My last register number is 002. Scientific learning have 5 syntax: observing, asking, gather information, associating, and communicating. To be clear, let's see the simulation of scientific learning. Have a good time watching. Assalamualaikum class. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Before we start our class today, let's pray together. Pray start. Finish. Okay. Today we will learn about linear equation one variable. Before that, I want to recall your memory about operation in integer. So, if 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Okay, that's right. And if 4 minus 2 times 4 equal to minus 4. Okay, you still remember that. Then, I want to ask you what's the difference between equality and equation. To answer that, I'll give you one example of equality and one example of equation. Here's the example of equality and this is the example of equation. So the question is why 3 plus 4 equal to 7 is equality, but 4 minus 2 times something equal to minus 4 is equation. Anyone knows? So yeah, the difference is between the truth of the mathematical sentences. We know that if 3 plus 4 equal to 7 is the correct sentences, right? But 4 minus 2 times something equal to minus 4, we don't know yet about the truth of the mathematical sentence. So, if this is the correct mathematical sentence, this truth of the mathematical sentence depends on this symbol. If we replace that symbol with 4, we get that minus 4 equal to minus 4. The sentence becomes correct. So, but if we replace the symbol with any numbers, is that with 4, so of course the sentence will be wrong. So today we will learn how to find the value of the symbol is equal to 4. So to answer that, let's move on to the balance visualization. So I will give an interpretation of the following mathematical sentence using the balance visualization. So the first example is 3 plus 4 equal to 7. We will interpret the equality by using this scale. So I put the equality in here, and there are two kind of balls, the black one and the red one. The black balls is equal to 1, but the red balls is equal to minus 1. And here there is rhombus that we don't know yet what the value is. Okay, our focus is to interpret the equality. Before that, the left side of the equal sign we call left hand side, and the right side we call the right hand side. So okay, let's interpret the equality. First, to interpret 3, I put 3 black balls in the left hand side like this. And to interpret 4, I add 4 black balls in the left hand side. Yes. And what happened to the scale? The scale become unbalanced. Why? Because we just operate the left hand side. So we should put 7 black balls to interpret 7 in the right hand side like this. And how's the result? Yes, the balance become balance again, or the scale become balanced. So it can be concluded if the equation or equality has the same property as the scale, which the left hand side and the right hand side should have the same value. So like that. Next example is 4 minus 2 times 4 equal to minus 4. We know that this equality is true, so the representation of the equality is I have to put 4 black balls in the left hand side to represent 4 in there, like this. And how many balls and which ball I should put in the left hand side to represent minus 2 times 4? Anyone knows? Yes, because minus 2 times 4 is equal to minus 8, so I have to add 8 red balls in the left hand side, like this. And what happened after this? Of course, the scale become unbalanced. So how do you make it back in balance? You have to represent minus 4 right in the left hand side. So you put 4 red balls in the right hand side. Then the balance become balance again, or the scale become balance again. So that's right. But in here there are many balls, but the right hand side just 4 red balls. So why this become balanced? Yes, because in here we have 4 red balls and 4 black balls, which means 4 black balls equal to 4 and 4 red balls equal to minus 4. If we add 4 black balls plus 4 red balls is equal to 0. So like this, the representation become like this. So do you understand, children? Okay, now if I have equation 4 minus 2 times rhombus equal to minus 4, what is the value of rhombus? And how the process to get the value of the rhombus? Just as before, we interpret the equation on the scale of the visualization. First, I add 4 black balls to represent 4 in here, like this. And I have to put rhombus in the left hand side to represent minus 2 times rhombus. But before that, let us critique the equation. If I put the brown rhombus in the left hand side, is it mean I put minus 2 rhombus? No, if I put the brown rhombus in here, so the equation become 4 plus rhombus equal to blah blah blah, like that. But we need to put the negative rhombus, so I add rhombus in here, but I change the color to indicate if it is a negative form of the rhombus above. This is what I mean. So you must remember that this is the negative rhombus. Okay, next, what happened with the scale? Yes, it become unbalanced. So what to do with adding balls in the right hand side? What balls should be added in the right hand side? Yes, we should put 4 red balls in the right hand side.
and the scale returns to normal, like this. Then after this, what is our goal? What are our goals, children? Yes, we are looking for the value of rhombus. This rhombus or that rhombus? Yes, we have to find the value of that rhombus. So you must remember, we have to make this scale just become rhombus equal to something like this. If we want to form the equation like that, then what we do with the 4 black balls in here? Good. We have to make 4 black balls become 0, or we should make it disappear. How? How's the way? Yeah, we have to add 4 red balls in here to the left hand side, because 4 plus minus 4 is equal to 0. So I put 4 red balls in here, so it will become 0. But what happened next? Yeah, the scale become unbalanced again, because we just put the red balls in the left hand side. So to make it normal again, we should put 4 red balls in the right hand side like this, and the balance become normal, balance again. Then we know that 4 red balls and 4 black balls will become 0 or disappear, so become like this. So remember, our goal is to know the value of rhombus equal to something. So here there are 2 rhombus and 2 column of red balls, which each has 4 red balls. So I can divide like this. So we got that one negative rhombus is equal to 4 red black balls, 4 red balls like this. And we have to focus, our goals is to find the value of the rhombus, and here is a negative rhombus, here is negative value. So we can make this become positive, and this is become positive too. So we got the brown rhombus, or the real rhombus that we are looking for, is equal to 4 black balls, or the rhombus is equal to 4. And then after that, yes, we actually find the solution of the rhombus, but we should check in the equation. 4 minus 2 times rhombus equal to minus 4. If we replace the rhombus with 4, is it going to be correct answer? Which 4 is equal to 4? We got, yes, minus 4 equal to minus 4. So the equation become true. So that's the way how to find the value of the rhombus using the balance visualization. So understand? Okay, good.
So, do you understand the process? Okay, now discuss with your group about how to explain the process finding the value of the rhombus in the mathematical sentence. And after that, you must tell me about your result of group discussion. Okay?
The result of my group discussion. First, we write the equation 4 minus 2 rhombus is equal to -4. Then we have to get rid of the 4 on the left by subtracting 4. But if we subtracting 4 in the left hand side, then we must also subtracting the right hand side by 4 because they have the equal sign. We get after that we get -2 rhombus is equal to -8. From here we divide both sides by 2 and we get minus rhombus is equal to -4. But because we are looking for the value of the rhombus, we are multiply by -1. So we get the value of rhombus equal to 4.
Good job, kids. Now I have another way how to find the value of the rhombus using Microsoft Excel. So let's move on to the Microsoft Excel. Okay, very good. Now I will show how to find the value of the rhombus by using Microsoft Excel. So pay attention in here, and first you must open your Microsoft Excel. You can use laptop or a smartphone. I will show you how to use Microsoft Excel in smartphone. First I will show you in laptop. So we just need 3 columns in here, which is this column is for rhombus, and this is for the left hand side, and this is for the right hand side. So first you need to fill what numbers you need to fill in here. May I give you an example? I will start from negative 10 or -10 until I want number until 22. So how to make the fastest 22 is you just drag here with the cursor like this, and then after that you can go to the corner and then drag until what number you want, and I want 22 in here, or 23. Okay, then the left hand side is the equation. You still remember the equation is 4 minus 2 times rhombus equal to -4. So the left hand side is the 4 minus 2 times rhombus. So I will use if you want to
write the formula in Microsoft Excel, you must first you must type the equal sign like this, and then the equation 4 minus 2 times the rhombus. So in here we have the value of the rhombus, but we don't know yet what the correct value for this rhombus. So you can click this and then you can enter. We get the value is 24, and the right hand side is minus 4. But you have to drag minus 4 until what value you have done, because the right hand side will never be changed. It's a constant number. And what will we do for the left hand side? So we have to drag again. You have to drag with the black plus sign like that, and then we got many kinds value of the left hand side. And so what we do, you still remember that we have to make the left hand side and the right hand side have the same value. So we need to find what number in this column has the same value in the left hand side and the right hand side. So this, the left hand side is minus 4 and the right hand side is the minus 4. So the correct value for this equation is the rhombus is equal to 4. So it has the same value as Sandy did the process with the algebra. So you can use Excel to help you find the solution of the linear equation. So do you understand, children? Okay, I will show you how to find the value of rhombus using Microsoft Excel in your smartphone. First, you must download in Play Store or App Store, and after that you can open, and as the same with what I explained before, you just need 3 columns in here for rhombus, for left hand side and right hand side. So here I must fill with number. I edit first and I put whatever number you want that make you easier to find the value. I start with minus 3 and then minus 2. Okay, now how to make the fastest sequence. You can drag and then you click fill in here and drag until what number you want. I end up with 6, and the left hand side same way before. You have to start first with equal sign, and then the equation in the left hand side is 4 minus 2 times you use this, and you can click the 82 box like this and you can enter. You got 10. 10 is if you replace the rhombus equal to minus 3, and the right hand side is equal to minus 4. Okay, like this. And then after that you cannot drag like this because it will be different with Microsoft Excel in PC or laptop. You have to click the box and then you just fill, and then you can drag like this. And then right hand side too, you click again and fill, you drag like this, and find the same value in the left hand side and the right hand side, the rhombus. The correct answer is if the rhombus is equal to 4. So it's same with the simulation in PC, right? So this is the simulation in smartphone. Okay, do you understand? Understand? Okay.
Okay, now I have worksheet for you. You can discuss with your group. In this worksheet, there is problem. You must solve it with your group. You can use algebraic process, or you can use Microsoft Excel to help you find that solution. And after that, you must show me about your solution, your group solution. You understand? So discussion start. So who wants to explain about your result solution, your result discussion with your group? So please.
My group solution for this worksheet. We solve using algebra process and using Excel. Our strategy is to find the rhombus value for each stepping stone first. It turns out that there is a rhombus that has the same value from start to finish. That's rhombus which has a value of 2. Therefore, the safest path to pass is like this.
So today you have learned how to find the solution of linear equation one variable, both using algebraic or using Microsoft Excel. So I think the point of solving equation one variable is how to make the equation become equality, and you have to use the principle of fairness. If you operate the left hand side, you must operate the right hand side too in the same value, and you will have the solution of the equation. And I think enough for today. And to evaluate your knowledge about our class today, I'll send quiz in Google Classroom, and you must submit before 12 p.m. today, and then you must prepare for the next lesson about solving problem related to the linear equation one variable. So that's enough. Thank you for your attention. I hope you stay in health, and may Allah always protect you from COVID-19. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Of my group discussion. First, we write the equation for but I will explain my group solution for this worksheet. From here we divide both sides by 2 and we get minus rhombus is equal to minus 4.